then like puffy sleeve, waist, puff, 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 puff. Yo, game over. Beautiful Zara and I'm here, and I'm super excited about this video because it says Zara Haul. Yo, I haven't done a try on haul in so long, so this is gonna be a fun video for me because I got some cool, I got some cute, I got some good stuff from Zara that I haven't even thrown on you. I literally kept it in the shopping bag and I literally just threw it in the middle of somewhere in the shopping bag and was like, oh, one day I'll tend to this. I don't know when, but one day. And today is the day! Before we get started, make sure you subscribe and turn notifications as well, girl. I love Zara. Zara is me and I am Zara. Zara, we are each other. I love you. First thing I'm trying on is this sweater, girl. So, okay. I love this sweater. It's super duper warm. I feel like I don't even have words to explain how I feel. Shorts actually from Zara. Mad old. These shorts is like college years, yo. They're not a part of this haul, so don't even pay it any mind. Don't pay it any mind. It goes. It fits the look. And yeah, I super duper love this sweater. It's so warm. Oh my gosh, this sweater is so warm. Like literally, winter staple. Winter staple. Get this sweater. You need this sweater in your life. But it's super duper thick. It's super duper duper thick. So if you're looking for like a really thick sweater, first of all, I got all this stuff on a Zara sale, girl. They had their big sale, girl, and I caught the sale, girl. Super duper love it. And I love how it covers my butt. Like I love how it goes down like past here. I don't know if you can even see. Let me get on my stool. You see how it like goes all the way down here? I love that. Gives me more options of stuff to when a sweater is longer, I feel like I have even more options of items to wear it with. So it gets me super excited. I feel like a good girl, if that's even like a thing. Like I feel like such a good girl that's doing what she's supposed to be doing or whatever. Like she's living life. Like God says go right, she goes right. God says go forward, she goes forward. You know? That's how I feel when I wear this sweater. Like it just feels very like, you know? I love this sweater. It's super duper thick, and if you're really looking for like the perfect warmth, I know we get dressed for stuff here. Maybe not everyone, but me, because some people really will wear like a big thick old jacket for the sake of I'm cold. I just get cute when I go out. That's just how I operate. Look, if you operate differently, I still love you. That's okay. What I'm saying is the cool part about this sweater is that it's cute and it's thick. It's gonna make you mad warm. You might even sweat. I don't know. But it's gonna make you mad warm outside. Girl, next up is this green top. Aren't you in love? I can't wait to wear this somewhere, girl. So this is a size medium. I would have loved to get it in a small. I had to settle for a medium. This is all they had. Oh my gosh. I can already tell this is going to be hard to take off. Oh my gosh, this is going to be mad hard to take off. What the heck? I don't know how I'm going to take it off without getting makeup on it. This is crazy. Oh my gosh. That was so hard. That was so hard. All right. That was difficult. I'm not gonna lie. That was hard. Cause I got a big head, okay? And that was a little small opening. But whatever, we make it work. Do you see how fat? Do you see how fat? Do you see? Do you see how good girl? I look good. I love the sheer sleeves. I love how it's like sheer at the top. I love the little ruffle situation right here, girl. It would have been better in a small because I feel like it would fit me better because this is super wide and I don't think it's something that's supposed to be like that loose. But it's gonna work because when you love something, you buy in whatever size they got and you make it work. That's what I do. I literally have clothes from a size small to a size like maybe 2X. I kid you not. And if you want to squat numbers, I have clothes from a size 2 to a size 14. I'm not playing with you. If I see something I like, I'm copping it and I'm making it work in one way or another. I don't care what size it is. This is a medium and I should have gotten it in a small, and I was like, I'm still rocking this. I don't care. Alright, what's my net worth? Can't even tell you. Can't even tell you. This is a look. All summer 2021. I'm wearing this shirt every day. I'm lying. I'm not wearing this every day. I'm wearing this shirt somewhere. I'm wearing this shirt somewhere. I'm in love. This is, and I only paid like $16. I think 16. Was it $16? $16! Oh my gosh. This is so good. Imagine if I were to like take it in, like on the side, to make it fit my waist. Imagine it like this. Imagine it like this. Like if it were like my actual waist size, and then like puffy sleeve, waist, puff, 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 puff. Yo, I would fall in love. In love. I might get to sewing tonight. I just might. I don't know how I'm gonna get it off because my head, she's huge. I have tops with little buttons like this. It's like so chic. It's so duper flipping cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. Maybe if I take the earrings off. No, we can tuck the earrings in. And then, oh my gosh. I'm scared. Why am I scared? Oh, because it hurt to put it on the first time. If you have a big head, you might have to struggle like me, but the struggle is worth it. The struggle is worth it because there's sunshine at the end. God said there's sunshine at the end of the struggle. Struggle lasts no long. It don't last long, okay? We did it. See, we did it. I'm gonna have to wash the makeup off today just to like make sure it doesn't stain. Because you know things will stain if you don't like immediately take care of it. Oh girl, I wanted this top for a while. But I was being cheap. I was like, I should not have to pay full price for this. I'm not paying full price. Me, so cheap, being so like frugal about the situation. Like, Zara always takes my money. But girl, when I saw that this was on sale, when I saw that this was game over. How much you want, Zara? How much you did? I had to get it. Oh my gosh, I love this. I wouldn't wear with a bandeau. I wouldn't even do a strapless bra. I would do no bra because this works no bra. Yep. I don't even like bras anyway. Like, I'm not even a bra girl, so this is perfect. Oh my gosh, but I would make sure they're even on both sides. I wouldn't make it uneven. This! Maybe if I like pull it down a little bit, see why I'm in love. I wouldn't wear it with these shorts. I would wear it with like a neutral hue because like it's like a mauve-y brown. It's like a bra with a little mauve-y in it. I can't even explain this shade, but it's so beautiful. Oh, I love this. I'm in love. This is so good. Oh, thank you, God. I got it on sale for $16, girl. $16! Yes, I said 60. Yes, you heard right. 16 buckaroos, baby, buckaroos. Worth every penny. Oh my gosh, it's starting to tear right here, but I'm gonna sew it. I don't even care. Super duper love the sheer straps. It's just gonna perfectly dangle off the shoulders. Oh my gosh, and then I love how there's these long sleeves that's just like off the shoulder. This was made for me. They weren't cheap with the sleeves. I love how the sleeves come all the way past. This is my wrist. These are my wrist, okay? All the way past my wrist, close to my knuckles. That makes me feel rich. It makes me feel like you did not run out of fabric when you were making this for me. You cared. That's how I feel. When they were in Spain making this, they thought of me. I'm convinced they thought of me. So this is a shirt that's an extra large. Yes, girl, 2X. It's a shirt, but I'm wearing it as a dress. Ha! So this is gonna be a shirt dress. I fell in love with the fabric and I couldn't let it go. I was like, I don't care if it's plus size. I don't care if it's a 2X. Like I said earlier, I buy clothes on whatever size is available and I make it work for my body type. Like, it is what it is. If you like something, you make it work. I'm an end goal type of person. I do not see obstacles. I do not care for obstacles. I see end goal. If A is what I want, I'm going to go for A. I don't care for all the things that come in between. I'm going for A. And A is this shirt that I'm making into a shirt dress because I got it in a 2X, baby. So I would do this with a waist belt just to like really make it I don't have a waist belt in front of me right now, but I would totally do this with a waist belt. I really would. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Because I have a mirror in my monitor to like tell me how I'm looking good. And it looks good with my dashing earrings from the Befitting Style Accessories, which is linked down below, by the way. It looks good with it. But yeah, I would wear this with the waist belt because she needs to be snatched at the waist for you to really get like the full gist of it. But I'm super in love with it. I love it. Like, yes, she's big, but she is chic. She's giving rich too. She's giving rich, but modest rich. Modest rich, like you can't smell the wealth from down the block, but you know she has coin. You know she has coin, but you can't smell it down the block though, but you're sure she has coin. Isn't it chic? And it's $16. You're going to fall in love in this next one I'm about to... Are you ready? I don't even know if you're ready. Are you sitting? Are you sitting? Are you sitting? I need to make sure you're sitting down so you don't pass out. This is okay. This item is plain. It's a neutral color. It's just the chictivity of it. Yes, chictivity is my word that I made up. Yes, it's a word now because I made it up. Okay, I've been saying chictivity for years. Anyway, it's just the chictivity of the dress. It's just you're about to fall in love and you're gonna be mad because I got it on sale and they don't have any more. They don't have any more. I'm sorry I can't tell you they're all linked down below. There's no link, okay? Oh, my earrings are linked down below, by the way. These are my earrings from my accessories collection. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. These are the dashing earrings, darling. Dashing, darling. Link down below. Ow! Oh my gosh. So this pleather dress is in a size small. I'm so in love with it. You won't see the greatness till I put it on. I feel like if I haven't been overindulgent in all my overeating in the past couple weeks, this would fit a little bit better on me because this is small. But because I've been overindulgent, so I have this little thing right here called a little fat. This is cute. Ah, she has pockets. We have pockets! I love this. This is giving rich. This is giving wealth. Look how, oh gosh. I wish you could really see like how far it goes. You see that? We're giving past the knees, honey. We're giving past the knees, honey. This is wealth. This is wealth. This is, you got invited to Beyonce's for brunch. You got invited to Beyonce's for brunch. You throw this on and you fit right in. I know they are multi-millionaires and I know her husband is a billionaire. But I'm telling you, with your $5 in your bank account, you fit right in wearing this dress. I'm telling you, you do. I always love a little bit of detail at the shoulders. I love a little at the shoulders. It just, it makes me feel so good. It's just the little things like having this right here at the shoulders. It just does it for me. It's just, I'm so in love with it. And you guys know I'm a bright colored girl, but the chictivity of it all, the sleekness of it all, I make $900,000 a year of it all, and next year I'm scheduled to make 1.5 mil of it all. Like, the fabulousness of it all. We thank God. Detailing right over here. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love all of this. What? What? A little, rich. This one I also loved. This one, and this is my color palette. We are talking florals. We are talking brights. We are talking, oh my gosh, she is so fab. She is so fab. Like, even next to my little palm plant. Like, look how she compliments my palm plant. Got it for $16, darling. $16. Like, girl. in love. I'm 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 in love. Down to the sleeves. I love. Oh, I'm in. Oh. Oh, and it's sheer. Body of the dress, there's a lining, but the sleeves do not have a lining. But who needs lining on sleeves? Who needs lining on sleeves? Not us. I'm gonna just skip through them because if I sit here and just button all day, I'm gonna be here all day buttoning. Too much work. As beautiful as these little buttons are, they take way too long to button. Like, because I'm usually rushing, you know how much time I would have to spend just trying to like get this on. It's cute. I mean, I wouldn't wear this. I'll probably, let me show you how I would wear it. It's so cool that my boobs are small because I can do anything. All boobs make everything easier in my opinion. Like I don't need that much support. I don't need nothing. Look, I just took off the bandeaus, literally braless. Because I'm a braless type of girl. I really don't wear bras. I just had it on to go with the brown sweater. I love this and I can't wait for spring so it's warm enough for me to just wear it by itself without a sweater or nothing. I'm excited about this. That's it. That's all the wonderful things that I got from Zara recently. There's other things I got from Zara months ago. If you guys want to see those pieces, it's just like a bunch of like dresses, fun. They were on sale too, girl. I called a deal. So if you guys want to see that, let me know. And we can do this. We can make it like a Zara part 2. Zara try on haul part 2. And these are like older items. I haven't worn most of them yet. And even the ones that I've worn already, I can also like show you on camera. But show you how it's looking. You can let it. So let me know if you want to see that. They're at least a year. No, they're not a year old. They're at least 6 months old. At least. Because I can't remember when I got it anymore. But thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I love you. God loves you. Thank you so much, girl. Make sure you subscribe to your notifications as well, girl. I got stuff linked down below. I got my earrings linked down below. I got my Instagram linked down below. I got mad stuff linked down below. So check the description box for stuff. Okay? I love you. Later. Later, friends.